my name is James Hughes. I'm the head teacher here at E-ACT Blackley Academy. So there's been a lot of preparation gone into Dream Big Day. There's a lot of activities going on in school today. We've got Mars rovers in school. We've got Commando Joe doing missions with the children.
My name's Tracey. I'm one of the programme trainers for Commando Joe's. We are a character education company and we deliver character education to children.
As you can imagine, all those activities, a lot of preparation.
The look on the children's faces as well is gold, and that's why working in schools with the children is still really important to me. Seeing them working together and being able to implement it through Commando Joe's and Dream Big.
We want the children to, first of all, have fun today, but also go away with a feeling of inspiration